I can see myself. Hey, we skipped past the part of clearing all the junk out from around it, showing where all the junk is now. And this has a lot of stuff in it that goes to 2 of these trucks to make one. And it's all in here, there's a lot. But all this was around this, and this is what we're here to do, is get this out of here. And she in there tight. Let's get a good shot of the cat prints back here on the trunk, the deck lid. Yeah, that's good stuff. She's been sitting here a hot minute, but she's coming home this weekend, all right? And no worse for the wear. She's in there tight. Look at that grill though, that grill is perfect. Most perfect part of the car. Flawless. So, all right, we're gonna dig it rest of the way out, get it moving that way, put it on the trailer. Show them what's on the trailer right now, buddy. Uncle Carl and Scamper. She's going over to a new home. It's an old build, many years. Couple dents in her now. Couple dents, couple new ones. This one hurts. That one hurts. That's an ouchie. That's an ouchie. Right on the beak. But she's ready to go in the morning, and we're gonna bring it back, get the charger up on here, and we're gonna roll back to Virginia. Word. Word. Yeah, we need to. We're off to the right pretty good. Well, I mean like 3-4 inches.
I couldn't see. That's why I was asking.
It looked square at first, but I guess it worked.
It really isn't going to matter as long as you get it strapped down. How
Steer
far up?
Steer it to the left. We'll try and bring it back straight it out a tiny bit.